iOS 18 lets you perfectly customize the functions of your action button by allowing you to choose from a variety of actions. Notably, you can even ping your connected Apple Watch by using your iPhone's action button. Yeah, you got that right. iOS 18 has made it possible to add the Ping My Watch action to the action button on your iPhone. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to unlock your iPhone using Face ID and then long press on the lock screen. Then you have to tap on the Customize button at the bottom. And then you have to select the lock screen to proceed. And then you have to tap on the minus button on the action that you want to get rid of. Next up, you have to tap on the plus button. Next up, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the Ping My Watch action. And finally, make sure to tap on the done button at the top right corner of the screen to confirm. And that's about it. From now onward, you'll be able to ping your Apple Watch right from the lock screen of your iPhone or using your beloved action button. Pretty cool, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.